So from this window, you want to click on Intuit account at lower left of your screen, which will open up a new tabs from Intuit. And you have to verify yourself using any of these methods. Just pick on what you favor. After that, on Sign In and Security button, you want to click on that. Right here, on your phone number, you want to click on Phone section. Besides your phone number, you will see this Change button, and you want to click on that. And you will have to input your new phone number, and tap on Save button right here. Later on, Intuit TurboTax will send you a verification, whether you want it to be on text message, voice message, or both of them. Either way, after you verify your new number, you will have phone number renewed. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.